Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin inside your project frame, create a dedicated header frame, and enable auto layout immediately so spacing behaves predictably. Make text styles for breadcrumb labels to ensure consistency, and design a small separator symbol as its own component so you can swap it later. Once done, place a first label, duplicate it, and align them horizontally with auto layout padding and gaps set. This gets you a living breadcrumb row that updates cleanly as you refine spacing and typography. Now turn a single label plus separator into a reusable component so each breadcrumb is maintainable. Make instances for home, category, and page. Use variants or simple Boolean properties to represent active versus link states, adjusting color and underline as needed, because design states keep interaction clear. Make sure each component's resizing is set to hug contents and set min widths when necessary so the trail wraps or truncates gracefully. This middle work ensures the breadcrumb adapts across breakpoints and copy lengths. Finish by assembling your instances into the main auto layout row and verify alignment, overflow behavior, and truncation for long paths. Style final colors, focus outlines, and accessibility contrast. Then export icons or SVGs and document how to update crumbs. For testing, simulate narrower frames and check interactions. If things go wrong, inspect nested auto layout settings and component constraints first. Most layout issues come from conflicting resizing rules.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.